It's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Letter Graphics and Multimedia. And in today's video, you are going to learn how to create creative letter logo in corelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to hit on the subscribe. So with that being said, let's get started and see how you can combine two letters to make a creative logo. First thing to do is to go to your toolbar right here, click and hold down and make sure you choose 2-point line. You have to come to the workspace right here and click and make sure you press Shift key on your keyboard. This allows you to draw a perfect straight line. So when you make a perfect straight line, the next thing you need to do is to make a duplicate of this particular straight line. For you to do that, just press Ctrl D to make a duplicate. So you have to take the duplicate down below right here. Next thing you need to do is to press Shift key and select the first stroke and then press letter C. This allows you to align into vertical center. Next thing you need to do is to come to the toolbar right here, click and hold down and make sure you choose blend. So having choose blend, make sure your blend figure here is 8. Then you have to come here and press Shift key on your keyboard and drag. This allows everything to blend in. Once you blend them together, the next thing you need to do is to come to the home tab right here, go to object. From object, make sure you go to break blend apart. So having break blend apart, you have to come to the home tab here and make sure you group. Next thing you need to do is to press P to centralize. So the next thing you need to do is to make a duplicate of this stroke. For you to do that, just press Ctrl C on your and press Ctrl V to paste. So next thing you need to do is to come to the home tab right here. At the point here, make sure you type in 90 degree and press enter. You're going to have stuff like this. Okay, so next thing you need to do is to go back to your toolbar. This time around, you have to click and hold down and make sure you choose circle. Having choose your circle, you have to make a perfect circle from the center point. Press Shift key and Control key down and make a perfect circle. And make sure it snaps to the head. If it doesn't snap in a perfect way, press P to centralize. So you are going to have it snap this way. Next thing you need to do is to make a duplicate of this circle. For you to do that, just press Ctrl C on your keyboard and press Ctrl P to paste. So the duplicate one here, you have to come down below right here, press Shift key on your keyboard and drag in and make sure it snaps to the edge this way. Next thing you need to do is to make another duplicate. Press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Then the duplicate one here, you come here, press Shift key and drag and make sure it snaps to the edge. Then press Ctrl C again to make another copy and Ctrl V to paste. Then Shift key and drag and make sure it snaps to the edge. Lastly, press Ctrl C again to make another copy. Then Ctrl V to paste. So you have to come down here, Shift key and drag and make sure it snaps to the edge this way. Next thing you need to do is to press Ctrl minus to zoom in. Then we have to select everything this way. Then we have to come to the home tab here and make sure you group. Next thing you need to do is to come here and make sure you change the rotation degree to 45% degree. Press enter key on your keyboard. So you're going to have a stuff like this. Ctrl plus, zoom out. So, and I'm going to press letter H. This allows me to move to the move tool. Next thing I'm going to do is to go back to my toolbar right here. This time around, we have to click and hold down and make sure you choose your virtual segment delete. Then from the bottom right here, you have to count up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you start to connect the angle. So from the very point here, you have to press hotkey on your keyboard and you have to drag. This allows you to cut some of the area. You have to drag this way. Then hotkey and drag. Then you have to press hotkey and drag to this way, and this way, and this way.
the only way to win at life. I never miss, that's fact. Taking big swings, put your hand to the bat. Put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag. Cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real. But how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win at life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat.
Once you are able to trim all the necessary area, the next thing you need to do is to come down below here, click and hold down, and make sure you choose your smart fill. Having choose your smart fill, just fill in the area that you are able to trim. So you are going to have stuff like this. Next thing you need to do is to drag the logo shape out. Then you have to come down below here, right click on here to remove the stroke. You can press Ctrl- to zoom in. Next thing you need to do is to select all the logo shape this way and press delete key on your keyboard. You can fall back to the logo shape and press P to centralize. Finally, you can come to the color palette right here and apply the color of your choice. In this logo design, I use sky blue color, as you can see right here. So finally, you can press Shift key and resize your logo shape based on exactly what you're looking for. This is guy how you can create alphabet letter S and plus N in corelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this in corelDRAW. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.
How it's supposed to feel.